Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video I teach you what is Spotify and how to earn money from Shopify, how to use Shopify. So I hope so you like our video. If you are first time on our channel, subscribe this channel, like this video, share your opinion in comment section and share this video with your family and friends. So guys, let's get started. So first of all we click here and then search your Shopify. Okay, Shopify. Okay, it's a Shopify. So then click on this one, first one. Shopify is the online selling purchasing site. Okay, so we open here. So if you want to use free trial, enter your email here. So for example I enter my mail here, like anything, any other mail. If you have any mail, so enter here and then read everything. Click on this one, start free trial, email address, password and your email address. So wait few seconds, it's redirecting. So we wait few seconds. So yeah, I am an online store and executing website or blog, social media, online marketplace. I am in person, I am not sure. So click on everyone or your favorite. So I click everyone, then click on next. Facebook, Instagram, which channel do you want to sell on? Facebook, Instagram, please search Shopify, TikTok or other. For example I click here for everyone other or everything, then click on next. Or which online marketplace do you want to sell on? Google, Amazon, say eBay and other. Then click on next and then I am just starting. I am already selling on online, so click on I am just starting. If you have experience, so click on I am also selling online in or in a person. So click and then physical products, digital products, service product, I am not sure. So choose all. So which where will you get your product? I'm finding on marketplace myself. I will get for a dropshipping supplier. I use print demand service with my logo or design. I am not sure. All, then next. Then store name. Choose your store name. For example, my store name is John Smith. Yeah, John Smith. Yeah, it's John Smith. Okay. For example, we want to enter John Smith 6461. Okay, it's good. Yeah, next. Your country, choose your country. For example US, I choose my country. Or for example I want to choose US, United States or USA or other. For example I choose here any country. For example I choose here, I find here